Hello, Professor. All right, this is Lab 3, the advanced switch count. And we'll get started right away. Here is the simulation for our test bench. And as we've already discussed, the segments and LEDs are like very wonky at the moment. The segments work, but the LEDs don't. So I'm just going to display the switches working and the LEDs corresponding to which switch is activated. And so we have here, and I got a clock cycle of 20 nanoseconds down here. And so so at 0, no switch is on, 0 LEDs on as well. Actually, don't even need to expand that. And then 1 switch on, 1 LED's on, 2 switch on, 2 LEDs on, 3 switches on, 3 LEDs will be on. I'll just show that like so, corresponds well. And it follows each clock cycle all the way up to all the way up to 15 switches being on, which we can show over here on the side. There. So all 16 switches on, my bad. 16 switches being on, which correspond to 16 LEDs being on. And that's the simulation, and the clock cycle goes all the way through with it. And now, if we run this back, actually I already think it's running. So I'll just go ahead and go over this. So as we can see, no switches are on, corresponding to 0 being displayed on the 7 sig. 1 switch turns on, 1 LED corresponds to a switch being activated, which corresponds to 1 being displayed on the 7 sig, and it follows all the way through up to 16 switches being activated. 10 switches, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And then we can just follow our way back. Or you can turn off any switch, and the LED corresponds to how many switches are actually on. And 0. Alright, that's my design, and thank you.